The Ekambareshwar temple of Lord Shiva, the Kamakshi Amman temple of Goddess Parvati, and the Varadaraja Perumal temple of Lord Vishnu together are popularly known as Mumurti Vasam. Mu means three, Murti means idol or deity, Vasam means aroma. The Ekambareshwar temple. Once, Parvati was performing penance on Shiva in the form of Prithvi Lingam made out of sand under a mango tree to expatriate herself from a curse. The Vegavati river, which was years ago created by Lord Shiva to satisfy a sage's thirst, overflowed and was about to destroy the lingam. Parvati hugged the lingam to protect it. This gesture of Parvati touched Shiva immensely, and he materialized in person in front of her, and she was liberated from the curse. The mango tree where this happened exists in the temple and is believed to be several thousand years old. The deity worshipped in the temple is a Prithvi Lingam. The Kamakshi Amman temple. Goddess Parvati was born on earth as Kamakshi to kill the demon Bandasura. Kamakshi Devi performed a one-leg penance of needle point to persuade Shiva to marry her. The Bangaru Kamakshi deity, where she is standing on one leg, was hence installed in the temple, which is one of the 5 Kamakshi idols in the temple. But during the Mughal invasion, the Bangaru Kamakshi idol was shifted to Tanjavur and is now worshipped in the Bangaru Kamakshi temple in Tanjavur or Tanjore. Bangaru, meaning gold, refers to the idol made completely of gold. The feet of Bangaru Kamakshi are symbolically installed in the Kanchipuram temple and worshipped. The Varadaraja Perumal temple. This temple is one of the Divya Desams, Divya meaning divine and Desam meaning place, translates to 108 divine places as said by the 12 saints Alvars. Once, Goddess Saraswati separated from Brahma over an argument. During this time, Brahma performed the Ashwamedha Yajna in the Athi forest, which is now Kanchipuram, praying to Lord Vishnu. Athi means fig. Saraswati was infuriated that the yajna, which is normally performed along with one's spouse, was performed by Brahma without her. She hence tried to stop the yajna by sending a ferocious snake. Lord Vishnu took the form of Ashtabhuja Perumal and killed the snake. Ashta means 8, Bhuja means weapon. The snake is found on the Vayu end of the Yagasala as Sarabeshwaran in the Ashtabhujakaram temple, which is 1 kilometer from the Varadaraja Perumal temple. Saraswati then herself came as a river and tried to stop the yajna. Lord Vishnu laid himself flat to divert the flow, and the yajna was performed successfully. The divine architect Vishwakarma carves a Vishnu idol from a fig tree, and Lord Vishnu agrees to stay as Athi Varadhar in the temple. Athi Varadhar was the original deity of the Varadaraja Perumal temple. During the Mughal invasion, the Athi Varadhar idol was stored and hidden in an underground chamber in the temple tank Ananta Sarovaram. The Devaraja Swami idol replaced the deity in the temple. After several hundred years, the Athi Varadhar idol was found in the temple pond in the underground chamber. Grand pujas were performed for the deity for 48 days. After 48 days, the idol was kept back in the chamber in the temple pond. The tradition continues till date that every 40 years, the Athi Varadhar idol is removed from temple tank, worshipped for 48 days and returned to the pond. On 29th June of 2019, the idol was removed after 40 years and kept for devotee darshan from July 1st to August 17th of 2019. The 9 feet Murti is normally kept in reclining position for 24 days and then in standing posture for the remaining 24 days. Lakhs of devotees offer their prayers to the deity each day in these 48 days and experience the aura of their magnificent God.